Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a grievance for Provident Fund related issues. You can easily resolve many common problems by understanding the proper procedure. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you know exactly how to proceed if you encounter any difficulties with your PF account. We'll cover everything from initial registration to tracking your complaint effectively, empowering you to manage your financial matters with confidence and clarity. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the official EPF Grievance Management System portal. Here, you will find a clear Register Grievance button. Click on this to begin your submission. It's crucial to select your correct status, whether you are a PF member, an employer, or another category, as this determines the next steps. For members, have your 12-digit universal account number ready, as it is essential for authenticating your complaint details. After selecting your status, you'll be prompted to input detailed information about your grievance. Be precise in describing the issue, providing your establishment code, and clearly outlining the problem in the designated text field. A well-articulated complaint significantly aids in a faster resolution. Remember to upload any supporting documents you have, such as your pay slips, bank statements, or previous correspondence, as these provide crucial evidence and context for your claim, helping to expedite the entire process. Once you submit your grievance, the system will generate a unique registration number. Make sure to note this down carefully. This number is your key to monitoring your complaint's progress. You can easily track the status by revisiting the EPFO GMS portal and entering your registration number in the View Status section. It is advisable to check for updates periodically, perhaps every few days, to stay informed about any actions taken or responses provided by the employee's Provident Fund organization regarding your specific issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.